Hello guys, and welcome to a tutorial of how to install GK Tech engine bay brake lines. These are supposed to be a replacement for the hard lines in your car. As you can see, my car does not have them. Normally you'd have some hard lines running from your master cylinder right here, running along the firewall and into your brake junction over there and your calipers. And as you see, my car does not have them, and that is what that is what this is supposed to fix. And it's all nice and marked. Shows you where it's supposed to go. Like I say, to master, to caliper, to junction, to other caliper. Super easy, super simple. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and this will probably be a pretty short video because this is super simple. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do, obviously I got a brand new thing, but I had to remove some little rubber grommets inside of here, but most of you guys will probably be using a used one, so you won't have to do that. But these new lines are held in with the provided screw right here. It's a banjo bolt, and it's a 14 mil, so you'll need a 14 mil ratchet and a wrench. And as it says, this end right here with the nozzle goes to your brake line right there. That should be coming out of there. I have the GK Tech stainless steel lines as well, so like it matches up perfectly, and comes right there. And then this connects to the master cylinder just like that, with a bolt in the middle. And that's how your fluid gets to your brake lines, obviously. So I'll show you guys how to. I don't think it matters which hole you use. It's probably just kind of up to you and which one you think looks best. I guess I'm gonna use this back one for the one here. So we'll start with this one and then come this way. Or maybe actually I'll start with this one, since this one will probably come around over here. That's probably what I'll do. I'll start with this one and go here. You want to make sure you have one washer on the bolt before you put it through here, and then you put your other washer onto there, and then from there it's just as easy. Just do that, and then okay. And just like that, connected to the caliper, to the master. And you do that for all three, and then you're done. Alright, and as you guys see, I have it finished. We have all of the lines connected. We have this one, this middle one. I have it going to the caliper, and then this one comes to the brake junction right there. And obviously in your setups you can take these. They come with these little clips in here that you can, I'll take one out for you guys. They have these little clips right here that you can use to hold your lines up and kind of like tuck them against your firewall and stuff. I did not put them on yet because my engine bay is pretty incomplete, so I have other stuff that I need to kind of get in here before I route these how I want them to look. So for now, I'm just gonna leave them here and connect it to the calipers. And we now have working brakes in the S13, so that is a huge win. So if you guys found this informational and you guys want to continue seeing this build, make sure you hit subscribe and leave the video a like. It helps me out a huge ton, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.